Tastefully, Simple offers a unique and convenient way to elevate your meals with gourmet food and mix-ins. But before diving in, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. In this video, we'll cover 7 key points you should consider before buying Tastefully Simple products. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share a special offer you can't miss. Let's get into it. First off, Tastefully Simple isn't your average food brand. Unlike grocery store options, their products are designed for convenience without sacrificing flavor. You won't find these kinds of gourmet options in the aisle next to your usual snacks. But that's not to say there aren't competitors that offer similar convenience. Many brands like Pampered Chef or the Pampered Pantry also cater to busy people who still want quality food. But Tastefully Simple's standout feature is its dedication to quick preparation. Many of their products are ready in under 30 minutes with minimal effort. Next thing to know is their product range. Tastefully, Simple isn't just about 1 or 2 items, it's a broad selection, from soups, dips, and seasonings to full meal kits. Their mixes and sauces are especially popular because they turn simple dishes into gourmet meals with just a few extra ingredients. And while this sounds great, it's important to note that not all their products are created equally. Some, like their bread mixes, can be hit or miss, depending on your taste. For example, their beer bread mix has a loyal fan base, but others may find it a little too sweet. The third thing to consider is the pricing. Compared to competitors like Pampered Chef or local organic brands, Tastefully Simple tends to be a bit pricier. However, the convenience and quality of their offerings justify the cost for many people. But keep in mind, if you're on a tight budget, some of their offerings may seem expensive for what you get. If you're unsure, definitely check out the variety packs or seasonal bundles, which can help bring down the cost per product. Now let's talk about their customer service. Tastefully Simple has a solid reputation for its customer service, with friendly representatives and a reliable satisfaction guarantee. However, shipping times can sometimes be longer than you might expect, especially during the busy holiday season. This can be frustrating if you're eagerly awaiting your food delivery, but it's something to be aware of when ordering. The fifth thing you should know is their rewards program. Tastefully Simple has a loyalty system for frequent buyers, and you can earn points to get discounts or even free products. This adds real value, especially if you plan to make regular purchases. When compared to other brands, this reward system stands out, giving you an incentive to return. The sixth thing is their try before you buy options. Tastefully Simple offers a 30-day satisfaction guarantee on many of their products, so if you don't love it, you can return it for a full refund. This is rare among food brands and is definitely a feature you should take advantage of if you're hesitant to commit to a new product. This way, you're not locked into something you're unsure about. And the seventh point is their subscription service. Tastefully Simple allows you to subscribe and save on your favorite products, making it easier to stock up without having to reorder every time. If you're someone who regularly uses their mixes or dips, this can save you time and hassle. Plus, their subscription service often comes with discounts, so it's worth looking into if you're planning to make multiple purchases. So, to recap, Tastefully Simple offers quality, convenience, and a wide variety of products, but it does come at a price. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the product quality and ease of use are hard to beat. Plus, their rewards program and satisfaction guarantee make it worth trying. If you want to try out Tastefully Simple for yourself, be sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the product and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this great offer. Check the link below for your free trial and exclusive benefits, and see if Tastefully Simple is the right fit for you.